Right vehicle? Check out 2016 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, ventilated front seats, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, navigation system, leather upholstery. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.